Hi guys, welcome to Cody's Kitchen. So today I brought you guys that treat that I was talking to you guys about in my last video with the bread and the mozzarella cheese and the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Excuse me, I'm still battling that cold that my lovely daughter gave me, but it's all good. We're gonna move along. So what you are gonna need is some fresh, definitely you want fresh mozzarella cheese, some Twilight Tomatoes. These are like a different kind of tomato. They're kind of the darker family of the tomato, and they're like really sensitive, so definitely don't refrigerate them, but they're pretty cool in color, aren't they? I typically would buy the bigger ones and then chop it up. They didn't have any, so I had to use these, which is fine. So make sure you wash them and chop them up, and then I put them in my bowl. You also need some basil. I had to substitute mine because I didn't have any basil, and this is kind of like an Italian dish, and so I just thought I'll throw some parsley in there because it's good. So I threw that in there, but I will put all the measurements and ingredients and everything in that description below. So basil, tomatoes, your mozzarella cheese, and then you need some oil and some vinegar. And again, I'll have all your measurements in there, okay? So we're just gonna go all in there. I played around with this and then kind of got it right. Oh, I hope you guys can see that, and if you did laugh, go ahead, I let you. Okay. I'm all dressed up fancy because I went to this amazing church today to serve our Lord, and it was pretty cool. I liked it, so that's why I'm all dressed up. And cheese. Okay, and then there's my balsamic vinegar. I'm just gonna put this in my sink. Alright, and then you need some pepper and a little bit of some salt, and then one over your shoulder for some luck. And then I'm gonna grab my cool little spatula and just mix this all up. And then that's it, guys. Something this fancy, and it was really that simple. I already cut my tomatoes up for you guys, so I didn't waste your time. Now, you can buy this at the store. You can make it if you want to make it. They're really easy to make too. Or you can, they also sell them already cut up and everything. So you can buy that if you really want to be super easy. If you want it to be super easy. So I literally just have this loaf. I'm going to just cut them. It's supposed to be a little crispy on the outside, but my knife is dull, and I apologize. I got the dullest one, of course. I'm just going to do a couple of these so I can plate them up for you. And you know what? I forgot a plate, so let me grab that as well. And a little spoon for you. But they're so cute, so easy to make, guys. We're going to move this over. I'm going to plate this up for you. And go like that. I wouldn't serve that end piece. Also, a little tip for you guys. My cutting board is moving like this. If you have that issue in your kitchen, you can take a wet paper towel, slide that right on underneath there, and it will not move. I actually will show you guys what I'm talking about. So I just wet a paper towel, right? And it was like sliding. I'm going to fold it and set that bad boy right underneath here. And look at that. It's not going to move. Watch. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up because I just showed you a cool trick. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button too because I know what I'm talking about. Alright. We're going to put this on there. Just like that. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so cute, guys. And then we're going to add our cheese. Oops. I actually want something really pretty. our little cheese. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's give this another little stir because you want all that goodness on there. A little spoon. Okay, and this is how easy it is. Put it right on top. Just like that. What? Go ahead. Go ahead. Show me some love. Hit that share button, guys, because you know that looks delicious. Alright, and that is it. Something fancy, something quick, and really, 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 really good. So I'm going to go ahead and just like dive into this one. And I like the sauce, the oil and the vinegar, and all the juices. Pour that right on top of there and go on in. A must try. So good. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe. Share this video. Don't forget, my giveaway. I'm giving another giveaway away because I appreciate all of your guys' support. Sorry. That was really good though. I appreciate all your guys' support. So my thanks to you guys is a big pot and pan set. If you follow me on all my social media, I have posted some pictures. We kind of took a vote. I posted like some red ones and some blue ones. I actually have one of the pans. Oops. It is Blue Diamond. These are great pans. I love, love, love this pan. It's only one, but it's amazing. So you had an option of this pan right here, or you could get, I also have another favorite of mine, and I thought I had it, but I do not. It's also, but it's Hamilton Beach. I think that's what it's called. But that's also a nice set. So if you don't follow me on social media, go ahead and click the link below. I have them all listed below with the directions and stuff. So go ahead and click that and add me as a friend, and I will definitely accept you. I like to do like little trivias. I share pictures, giveaways. So definitely follow me over there so you can stay updated with this giveaway that I have going on. Now, in return for you guys to be entered into this giveaway, you guys, all you have to do, one little simple thing, right? Actually, it's like 3. There's like steps, right? Because you just have to hit that like button, share that video, and then if you haven't, like, subscribe, you know, get my word out there, share, tell your friends about me, tell them about the giveaway, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be another one after this one. So come on, show me some love. I like to do easy. Look how easy this was. All right, I'm done yapping. And if you want to be entered, just start sharing. All right, guys, I know I'm new and I'm still learning all this stuff. My editing and all that stuff will come along as I get used to this more. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. Thank you for all the love and support, and I will be back again with another video. Bye.